Alright, this is a video of our Fadal VMC 3016L. It's new in 1998. It has a CNC 88HS Fadal control. The machine also has a programmable indexer. The machine is a Cat 40 taper, 7,500 RPM on the main spindle. Machine also is equipped with a coolant system. The spindle is currently running at 500 in the low range. That's 1,500 in the low range. I'm going to shift. That's 3,500 in the high range. That's 4,500. And that's 5,500. Now we're going to do a few tool changes. Do another one. Okay, now we'll jog the axes. Do X first. Now Y. Z. And last but not least, your indexer. Again, this is a Fadal VMC 3016L. Thank you for watching the video.